To use Temu with Cash App, start by downloading and installing the Temu and Cash App on your device. Create an account on both platforms if you have not already done so. On Temu, browse through the various products and select the items you wish to purchase. Once you have added all the desired items to your cart, proceed to checkout. At the payment options, select Cash App as your preferred payment method. You will be prompted to enter your Cash App details, including your email address or phone number associated with your Cash App account. Enter the required information and click on the link sent to your email or phone to authenticate the connection. After authenticating, you will be redirected back to the Temu checkout page, where you can confirm your order and complete the payment using your Cash App funds. Ensure that your Cash App account has sufficient funds to cover the cost of your purchase. If the funds are insufficient, you can add money to your Cash App account before proceeding with the payment. To connect Temu with Cash App, ensure that both apps are up to date and that you have the latest version installed on your device. Also, be aware of any fees associated with using Cash App for transactions, such as transfer fees or instant deposit fees. In addition to connecting Temu with Cash App, you can also use the Cash App card to make purchases on Temu. The Cash App card is a debit card linked to your Cash App account, and it can be used for online and in-store purchases. To use the Cash App card on Temu, select the credit or debit card option at checkout and enter your Cash App card details. By following these steps, you can successfully connect Temu with Cash App and make purchases using your Cash App funds. Remember to always keep your Cash App account and Temu account information secure and up to date to avoid any issues with your transactions.